Dear student and aspirant of Geochemist, Men's 2024, Geochemist, Men's 2024. Now, today is 29th April, and April is almost over, and you only left with 51 days. 51 days only left. That is 31 days in May and 20 days in June. That is 51 days only left. Now, I think as I suggested in my previous video that first go through the inorganic. So almost, I think all students will completed inorganic, and those students till date not completed inorganic, do it fast because it is now you are in red signal. Inorganic first must be completed. Titration part, nuclear chemistry, those part which are non-conventional part, जो कि conventional part नहीं है, coordination, organometallics, lanthanide, actinide, वो तो सबका अच्छा होता है. That topic is strong to all students. You must do gravimetric analysis, nuclear chemistry, solid state, titration, and try to attempt from that section so that you can gain more marks than your competitor who is attempting the conventional topic and being more happy that I attempted good question, but marks will be not provided in that. General marking will be done in that. Now, it's time. It's high time to revise the physical through inorganic. Order must be revision order in your physical chemistry. Revision order. Revision order in your physical chemistry. गैसियस स्टेट सबसे पहले कर लीजिए, गैसियस, सॉलिड, फोटोकेमिस्ट्री, काइनेटिक्स, ये फोटोकेमिस्ट्री, फोटोकेमिस्ट्री, ये तीनों बहुत, all three topics are, these topics are small topic. They are in the category of a small topic, and generally numerical and theoretical numerical question are asked from these topics. So revision will require not more time. In gaseous state, Boyle's temperature and its derivation, critical constant and its derivation, only limited to this, and numerical related to this. Likewise, in solid state, Miller indices, density determination, only question. Moreover, solid state is also common to your analytical X-ray part as well as inorganic, your first topic. So solid state is very important. Then in second round go through thermodynamics, more focus on derivation. Derivations पे focus करिए, numerical will be automatically done. If you know derivation in your thermodynamics, अगर derivation पे command है, one who command derivation in thermodynamics will also command numerical in the thermodynamics. So derivation, Cp minus Cv derivation, first law of thermodynamics, complete derivation, Gibbs-Duhem equation, system of variable composition, Gibbs-Duhem equation, complete derivation. By using that, you can decide for enthalpy, entropy, free energy change, for ideal and non-ideal mixing, Clapeyron equation, Clapeyron to closest Clapeyron equation. So more focus your revision in thermodynamics to the derivation only. Third, your priority will be electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. Here, your focus must be numerical. न्यूमेरिकल पे आप फोकस करिए बस, इससे ज्यादातर न्यूमेरिकल. In kinetics, also you go for the theory involving the transition state theory, collision theory. इन दोनों थ्योरीज को अच्छे से कर लीजिए. Surface chemistry is also part of chemical kinetics. Langmuir equation, BT equation, बस यही तक आप फोकस रखिए. बी सेलेक्टिव. ठीक, फिर आप आ जाइए क्वांटम एंड फिजिकल स्पेक्ट्रम. क्वांटम में पार्टिकल इन वन डायमेंशनल बॉक्स, बोथ थ्योरी एंड न्यूमेरिकल, दोनों चीजें आप रखिए. वेव फंक्शन और फिजिकल स्पेक्ट्रा में थॉरो स्टडी होना चाहिए. फिजिकल स्पेक्ट्रा थॉरो स्टडी के बिना नहीं चलेगा. इन फिजिकल स्पेक्ट्रा थॉरो स्टडी, बी कैलकुलेशन, in rotational spectra, calculation of the essential condition for rotational microwave active, determination of B. By using this, how will you determine bond length, isotopic substitution and determination of isotopic mass, vibrational spectra, harmonic and anharmonic vibration, determination of bond constant, fundamental, first overtone, second overtone, determination of anharmonicity constant, Raman spectra, condition for Raman, PQR branch of rotational Raman and vibrational Raman, strokes, anti-strokes line, ये सारी चीजें, रूल ऑफ म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन. तो फिजिकल स्पेक्ट्रा नीड ओनली, आउट ऑफ ऑल दिस टॉपिक, फिजिकल स्पेक्ट्रा ओनली रिक्वायर्ड ए थॉरो स्टडी. सो टू सम अप, these topics must be from numerical point of view, thermo from derivation point of view, electro and kinetics from numerical point of view, but in chemical kinetics, theory of reaction, and in surface chemistry, which is part of chemical kinetics, you must go for Langmuir and BT derivation. Quantum, particle in 1D and 3D box, theoretical and numerical approach. Physical spectra, a thorough and comprehensive approach. You must try to get 160 plus marks in the physical paper. If you are not getting 160 plus in paper 2, you will be not called for the interview. Right. Write this on your copy and copy. अगर आपको 160 प्लस सेकंड पेपर में नहीं आ रहा तो आपका इंटरव्यू कॉल नहीं आएगा। आप उसी दिन से 22 तारीख को एग्जाम हो जाएगा, 22 जून को आप जज कर लीजिए। अगर नहीं आ रहा तो प्री का तैयारी करिए अगले साल के लिए। 160 इसमें लाना जरूरी है। नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दी, इसमें आप कम से कम अभी 20 दिन टाइम दें, कम से कम अभी आप 15 मई तक टाइम दें। और जैसा कि हमने कहा था प्रीवियस वीडियो में, एनालिटिकल नॉट नाउ, एनालिटिकल पे अभी आप टाइम वेस्ट मत कीजिए और उसको बहुत ज्यादा बर्डन भी मत बनाइए। आई विल प्रोवाइड अप्रोच फॉर दैट। एनालिटिकल मस्ट स्टार्ट आफ्टर द 10th May। अभी आप 20 दिन इस पे टाइम दीजिए। नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल बी फॉर अप्रोच टू थर्ड पेपर, एनालिटिकल प्लस ऑर्गेनिक, and how can secure a good marks in paper 3 without the decisive contribution of analytical। एनालिटिकल का डिसाइडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन के बिना हम पेपर 3 में अच्छा मार्क्स लाएंगे। ऑल द बेस्ट, warm wishes, remain energetic throughout your preparation and go for revision. Those students who not completed in organic must do this from the point of view titration, nuclear chemistry and gravimetric analysis, जो अनकॉमन टॉपिक, जो कॉमन टॉपिक नहीं है, सॉलिड स्टेट। तो अगेन थैंक यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट।